Welcome back to the breakdown. Today we're going to be taking a look at a spy camera here. This is a very nice little spy camera that's kind of meant for you to be able to put this into anything and do anything with it that you want. Now, I've reviewed other types of cameras like these little small hidden cameras, we'll call it, that go on a wide range of devices that come as pins, for example, or USB dongles or USB wall chargers. But this one is actually kind of a do-it-yourself kit. And we'll be talking about the pros and cons, is let you know everything you need to know about this, pros and cons, and a whole lot more with it, to help you decide if this is the right device for you. Now, first of all, right off the bat, this was a review unit. They did send it to me, but they don't get to see this review until it goes live. They're watching it just like you are right now, so keep that in mind. Second, pricing on these changes so rapidly. If you want to find pricing, I will put a link to it in the show notes down below and in the first pinned comment, so you can find it on Amazon there for current pricing. And lastly, before we get into the full review, do me a big favor, help us grow this channel. Help me support my family. Hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up. Doing one or both lets YouTube know you enjoy what we do here, so YouTube recommends our videos to more people, helping us grow. I would really appreciate your support. It's a huge help for us. So with that said, let's start off this review just by taking a look at the actual camera itself. Now, right off the bat, it's a DIY kit. It's just a basic exposed wires, all this meant for you to do with it as you please. Now, there is a battery pack here, and it does come detachable with a pretty standard battery couplet here. So you can actually replace this battery with a bigger battery or wire in whatever you want battery wise for this, which is pretty cool. So the battery on it, we'll talk about a little bit more, is good, but if you're looking for a really long battery life, you're going to want something bigger. We'll talk about that in a minute. Now, the actual camera itself is this right here, this little get up here. You do have this band here, and at the end of the band is the camera. That is it. Very small pinhole type camera with it, and a flexible band for you to run it however you want and have it still work. Now, the actual hardware for the device is right here. You have the Wi-Fi antenna in here. You do have a micro USB charging port, a micro SD card slot on it, and the power reset button right here with it. And then the power cord comes off of it. That's about it. Let me show you a little bit more of everything that comes with this here as I talk about this a little bit. Overall, a few things you need to know. It is a 1080p camera, but it's definitely not going to give you the quality of your phone. It's a very small lens, very small data source that's pulling from to capture the quality of the image. It is good, but I wouldn't say it's necessarily great. It's nothing to jump up and down about. But for a security camera, just to monitor a room, maybe it's your kid's room, you want to keep an eye on them, for example. So overall, it's good quality. There is motion sensor on this. There is Wi-Fi. There is SD card storage. Wi-Fi allows you to drop in. SD card allows you to record motion, for example, with it. Now, battery life is good with this. It gets about they average maybe up to 30 hours of standby, and about 4 to 5 hours, I would say, of continuous recording in my testing with the battery. Now, of course, you can wire in a bigger battery if you so choose. It's a DIY kit. Just use the wires to get yourself a bigger battery, longer battery life. But keep that in mind. Now, a few things here. Definitely be aware of your local laws when using something like this. It's one thing to have a security camera in your home, but do be fully aware of the legal liabilities you have if you're trying to use this. So keep that in mind. Second, overall build quality. No, it is good. It is a very nice, simple device. I kind of love the DIY aspect of this with it, that I can run this in there to anything I want, place it however I want, and kind of fiddle around with it DIY myself. Overall, though, it's good. Are there better cameras on the market? Oh yeah, there are better cameras. But I love the flexibility of this. I love the fact that it can go with a bigger battery. My only complaint is it's micro USB instead of USB-C, but that's kind of nitpicking with it. So keep that all in mind. Now, I do love cameras around my property. I do love the ability to spy on my house, check in on it when I'm away for business, traveling, and more. I do that a lot for work. But just be aware of the liabilities you have when you're using this device outside your home. So keep that in mind. So overall, 2 thumbs up. So this is what it's going to do. When I always review products like this, does it do what it says it's going to do? Yes. It's a camera. The battery life is consistent within the range I would expect. And the features are exactly what I would expect with it. So keep that in mind. Build quality good. Design good, functionality good. If you want to find this on Amazon, I'll put a link to it in the show notes down below and in the first pinned comment. You can find it on Amazon there. If you're new here, do me a big favor, help us grow this channel. Hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up. It really does help us because it lets YouTube know you enjoy what we do. So until next time, take care, be safe. We'll be back again real soon.